Hello, class. Mr. Stone here. The other lesson, this is the second one I've done, and it's actually on the same thing. It's multiplying fractions. The only thing different on this one, it's really kind of the same, but this one here has variables, the x's and the y's and the a's and the b's, and it has exponents to the square root, to the cube root, okay? But this isn't a whole bunch different, and I'm going to show you. It's a lot easier than it looks, okay? Let's go through this. You got three rules. Remember, like we had the three rules before. It's got to all be fractions. Of course, we're not dealing with any whole numbers here, but if they did give us whole numbers, we'd solve them too, okay? And reduce if possible. I always feel I'd like to reduce before we multiply. Okay, you can reduce later, but it's a lot easier to reduce before. And then you just multiply straight across. Okay, here, let's rewrite this first one, okay? We got 7x, and that's really, x squared is really x times x. Okay, so we get two x's, okay? Over 15 times 5 over 14 times x. Okay, so, hey, let's see if we can simplify anything. Okay, yep, right away I can see this 5 goes into this one time and goes into this 3 times. Now, the 7x will go in once and it goes into this twice. Okay, so let's multiply this across. Okay, so x times 1 is x. Now at the bottom, 3 times 2 is 6. I think that's about it, and I can't reduce that anymore, so I'm going to square this up and tell the teacher, hey, this is my answer, okay? And that's all there was to that, see? So it's very similar to the first one when we multiply the fractions, except now we're just dealing with the variables, okay? And the exponents. And we could solve that like we solve everything, okay? Let's go to the next one, number 2. This is really A times A times A over B. Times, and this is really B times B, correct? And this is over A. So, hey, can we reduce this? Yeah, I can cross off one A here and one A here. I can cross off one B here and one B here. So what am I going to have? I'm going to just have A times A is A squared, and B. And that's my whole answer. Okay? And that was all there was to it, see? This is a lot easier than we thought. Now we're going into the next one, number 3. Now we got 3 different ones, okay? Hey, we solved 3 different ones on the last one, and we can do it on this one, okay? So, hey, let me rewrite this. So I'm going to have 11 over 12 y times y. Now we're going to do times 21 times x over 44 times 4y over 7x. Hey, what can we reduce here? Oh, I can see things already. Look at this. The 11 goes into there once, goes into this 4 times. Okay, so that's something. Now, 21x, look at this. 7x will go into this once, and we'll go into this 3 times. Okay, now, 4y? Yeah, look at this. This is easy. This goes in once. Now, goes into this part 3 times. And we leave the y, okay? So let's multiply straight across, okay? So, let's see what we got here. 7, 3. I'm coming up with 1 times 3 is 3. And then at the bottom here, let's see, I got 3y times 4, 12y. 12y. Now, can I reduce this any bit? Yeah, I think I can. Watch this. I can see 3 goes into the top 1 time, and 3 goes in the bottom 4 times. and I get y at the bottom. Hey, so see, I reduced during the operation, and then I reduced after the operation, okay? And that was all there was to it, okay? Hey, let's go on to the next one. So I'm going to rewrite this. I got x over y times y times y times y over x times x. So let's cross off these x's here and an x here. I can cross off a y here and a y here. So what am I going to come down with? I'm going to come down with a 1 at the top over y squared. My dog's barking. Y squared x. And that's it. That was all there was to it, okay? So, as you see, you reduce in the beginning and you reduce at the end, okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.